can be good speakers, good presentators in the world. The people who influenced in us was Victor Hugo, and all of us, all from here.
May I repeat the question? The three of you, please listen carefully. How can you practically help other people with your own skills, talents, and capabilities? Using your abilities, intelligence, how can you help other people?
I think the abilities and talents is the more representative characters of our persons. And I think that if you have a lot of talents and abilities, you can be better in your life. Teacher Rob gave us. Teacher Rob gave us. We don't trace it. I think that this is true because in our imagination we can make a lot of things that anyone try to do. I think if the youth have good dreams, the young men will get do a lot of things. There will not lines, there will not barriers to trespass because the dreams, the mind, the brain is the most powerful art of the human beings.
How many